Okay, Zakaria from Morocco.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum salam wa barakatuh.
May Allah give you and your family peace in this life and the hereafter.
And you as well, barakallah feek. What can I do for you, Akhi?
So we live in a society where people use cuss words a lot, like the F word or the B word or something. And what we see is a lot of Muslims and even non-Muslims using substitute words like what the flip or fricking or what the F. And even me in my daily life, I say it a lot. But are we as Muslims allowed to say those substitute words since they are directly derived from cuss words?
No, this is not permissible to use direct swear words or profanity. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, لَيْسَ الْمُؤْمِنُ بِالطَّعَانِ وَلَا اللَّعَانِ وَلَا الْفَاحِشِ الْبَذِيءِ. A believer, a true believer, does not curse, does not use profanity, does not slander, and does not use bad words. Now, camouflaging it by altering a letter or two may not have the same impact or the same sin. It would be inappropriate, but I wouldn't say that it is haram. It's best for a person to avoid it because people know what you mean when you say it. So it's best for you to avoid it. Of course, it's not as haram as the clear crystal profanity or bad words, but still it's better to be safe rather than sorry.